The colorful world of parrots. Welcome to the vibrant universe of parrots, where colors and intelligence converge. Parrots, with their kaleidoscopic feathers, are nature's masterpiece. Their brainpower is phenomenal, rivaling a young child's in complexity. Communication? They're experts, mimicking human speech with ease. But there's more. Parrots form deep emotional bonds, reflecting their social nature. They're not just pets, they're companions. Their diet? Varied and colorful as they are, from fruits to nuts and seeds. This keeps them healthy and happy. So, cherish these bright, beautiful beings. Their world is a spectrum of joy and intellect.